Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Beauty Wednesday today. I'll be showing you guys today how to set your foundation so as to ensure that it lasts you throughout the day, but also at the same time with very natural looking finish, okay? Skin-like finish. There's a lot of tips and tricks on YouTube here on how to make your foundation last you throughout the day, and they tend to involve a lot of layers. Sometimes they actually work, but with these layers, it looks like you have a lot sitting on your face. This particular technique shows you how to get long-lasting wear, but then with natural looking skin-like finish for your foundation. I'm really excited about this. Let's get into it. So I'm straight out of the shower. I've done my skincare. I used a moisturizer and I used sunscreen. I'm going to have my skincare routine videos linked down in the description box if you're wondering what my moisturizer is or what my sunscreen is. But it's very important that you do your skincare first. Moisturize your skin afterwards and use sunscreen before you get into the makeup, okay? So first thing you're going to do is to grab a primer. This is my go-to foundation primer. This is the NARS Soft Matte Primer. I really love this. It works great for people who have oily to combination. I always mix this up, guys. Combination to oily skin, okay? Use any primer that works for your skin type. It does not have to be this particular one, but this one works great for the skin type that I have. As you guys can see, my brows are sparse, they're not very thick, and as a result, I love to do my brows before I do my foundation. Feel free to actually do this however you like. I feel like there is no one way. People with thicker brows just tend to do it after they've done their foundation. Me, I prefer to do it at this stage, so I'm going to do my brows and I'll be right back. Okay? My brows are done, I am back. So makeup creases because it just kind of slides and moves around our face and just settles into fine lines that we have all over the face. These lines are very normal. If you smile, if you frown, if you move your face, if you have expressions, these lines are so normal. However, if you set properly with a very good technique, it kind of prevents foundations, which are mostly liquid and cream products, from sliding and moving around as much as they tend to or typically would, right? And just kind of locks them in place for an extended period of time. So you have these lines on your forehead here, you have them around your mouth because of your smiles, you have them here because of smiling and frowning as well. You have them, yeah, just if you have expressions period, you probably have fine lines on your face. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually set to just get extended wear with your foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to be using is NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. I've talked about this so many times. I love it that much. It has a very natural skin-like finish actually. Sheer Glow, this is one of the more lightweight foundations that NARS has in their foundation collection, and this works great for combination to oily skin, which is what I have. So I'm going to take about 3 pumps of this, going in with a foundation brush. This is ABH A30, and I'm going to apply this foundation all over my face. To minimize creasing in this area, I'm not going to be taking my foundation into this area here, but I'm going to be applying concealer. So after that, I'm going to apply some concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, one of my favorite concealers. It does not dry too quickly because concealers that dry too quickly tend to settle in there and actually crease. It's just a very, very nice formula and it's very forgiving. So I am going to apply this here. So like this, I'm going to go in with a blending sponge. This is my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend this out. The key is taking your time out to blend. So I'm going to go in with powder to set the concealer that I've just applied on my immediate under eye. This is my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, okay? So for this, I am not baking at all. I'm just using powder to just lightly set all the areas where I've applied my concealer very gently, okay? Very, very gently. Just like this. This is enough. So what you want to do is to take toilet paper at this point and just separate it, okay? Like this. So to set the rest of your face, you need a brush that is firm. When I pat on it, it doesn't really like move in that much, okay? You're going to go in with the same setting powder that you've used so far. You're going to place this on your face. And you're going to pat this all over. So what this essentially does is it filters the powder to a degree. So you know how like when you do like a glossy lip sometimes and you use this technique to kind of set that glossy lip so that it doesn't look as shiny? That's what we're doing here. By the time I'm done with this, I don't have the amount of powder that I'll typically have on my face when I set all over, but my face will be nicely set, like in a way that you guys can see it's not like there's anything, like there's not that much coming off. That's how gentle this technique is and how light. It's just, this is very, very light, okay? This technique just basically cuts the amount of powder that you typically get on your skin or on your face by half, okay? This type of brush compared with the tissue paper itself, it does wonders. And aside that, it's also the fact that what it also does is that it blots off whatever excess foundation, you have on your skin after your foundation has kind of dried down a little bit. It blots off the excess so that nothing is slipping and sliding about, okay? I really love it. So I'm going to apply some lashes now, but first I'm going to apply some mascara really quickly. This is my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. So I've applied some glue on my lashes. I'm going to line my waterline quickly. Some blush. This is my MAC Blush in Raisin. I've put my hair up in a bun just after that blush and I'm thinking red nude. I actually think I'll go with red. When my face looks like this and I have very like minimal makeup on, I like to go with a bold lip. So I'm going to do a quick red lip. This is the Sephora liquid lip color in 001. Okay, to finish everything up, I'm going to spray some setting spray, and this is a Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I really like this one. So guys, here is the finished look. I love the fact that I don't think that my foundation looks cakey at all. I also love the fact that I did a red lip instead of a nude lip. Guys, try this out. Try setting your foundation like this. Just FYI, I don't have any highlighter on this part of my face, but you guys can see that there's a very almost like skin-like glow that you're getting in this side of your face. Makeup does not look too cakey at all. This lipstick I use, I'm literally out. I need to replace it, okay? I just got the last bits of what was left in the container. But guys, the skin is skinning. It's coming through. You get such skin-like finish with this particular technique. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Try this out and let me know how it goes. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.